Is Google My Business worth it for a roofing company owner? Definitely, when you see what Google My Business, when established correctly and ranked, can do for your brand. Now for the conversion secrets. 68% of online searchers trust local 3-pack results. 27% trust organic results. And only 10% trust paid ads. 68% is a lot. So, the majority are choosing the MAP 3-pack results. A surprise bonus: conversion skyrockets when you are in the MAP 3-pack. 80% of local searches lead to a conversion within a day. That is why local businesses love it. 500% more conversions from the local 3-pack compared to paid or organic results. These stats are staggering, right? How to make it rain money? When a local consumer is desperate for what you have to offer, it is money time. A good way to make it rain money is to be seen in the 3-pack as widely as possible, for up to 49 square miles. 1. You get to be seen on page 1, where everybody knows your name. 2. No advertising cost, you save oodles. 3. More reach equals more revenue. 4. 500% better conversion than by other means. What more do you need? Are you ready? If you can learn how to: 1. Increase your visibility. 2. By showing up on page 1. 3. In as many locations as possible. 4. And increase your conversion. That's how you can now make it rain money for your roofing company. Are you interested? Smart businesses make the trend their friend. 18% of local mobile searches result in a sale within 24 hours. There has been a 900% plus growth in mobile searches using Near Me and Today Tonight, for example electricians near me and concerts near me tonight. So what happens when you show up while they are searching, and you convert more? Page 1 presence plus. Extended reach plus. Higher conversion equals higher revenue. Are you ready to see some examples of how businesses just like yours achieved results they never dreamed they could? 1. A PI attorney professional services success story. 2. A home service pro success story. 3. A funeral home success story. 4. A retail hearing aid. 5. A restaurant barbecue success story. 6. A medical success story with a dentist. 7. All of it.